Hello, this is Anthony Torres. I'm just logging into my Auto Response Plus. This video is going to show us how we create a form for our autoresponder. Here's the Success Classics at Events for Your Success.com autoresponder that we set up in a previous video. You'll notice that that's still dormant because I'm still working on it. I'm now going to click on the button that says Form Code. This will take me to the screen where I can generate a form for this. So the first thing we need to do is select the form fields that we wish to use. So in this case, I only want to collect first name. I do want it to be mandatory. Of course, it's going to collect an email. It doesn't ask us for that because it's going to anyhow. We could include any of these others if we so desired. We can also include custom tags. I'll deal with that in a moment. So we then need to tell it which autoresponder we're using. By default, it will come up the one that you click from. It's also going to ask us, do we want it to subscribe to any other autoresponders? So only any that we select in there, we can press Control to select multiples, will also be added. So we only want the main autoresponder, Success Classics at Event for Your Success. Autoresponders for multiple choice form, we won't be dealing with that at the moment. It's highly unlikely that you'll use that often. Tracking tags, this is where we can select a tag to include in your form. It's a hidden field that will be inserted into the form and allows you to track where it came from. We'll deal with that more in another video where we deal specifically with tracking tags. Likewise, passing form variables to the success page, we won't be dealing with that just at the moment. So our display offers, we can offer a choice of format. I recommend this as it allows people to choose if they want HTML or plain text. We can also edit this form button. I'm going to say become a member now. So the link text is for subscription via a web email link. So if you've set up your autoresponder to accept subscription by email, you can ask your subscribers to send a blank email to your autoresponder. This could be a clickable mail to link on your web page or in an email. So when they click on this, it will create an email for them in their email client and send that email with this particular tag in it, so that the mail to tag, so that it then goes along to Success Classics at Events for Success.com. When that's received by that, they will be subscribed. The notification options refer to how you want to be notified that somebody has completed this form. This is separate and additional to the notification of a subscription. So if you had perhaps additional form fields or things like that, you could then select this to be sent in addition to the other subscription emails to notify you. So we could put in our email address here, the subject that we want to show in that, and whether we want it to include the form contents and how we want to sort those form contents. In this case, I don't want that. We can also offer the choice of an RSS or email subscription, so and to allow the default type of email. I'm going to tick that. I normally wouldn't, but just for the purpose of this exercise I will. Once I've completed all of those things, I can click on Generate Code, and then what will happen, if we scroll down a little, we'll see that we have some additional fields on this that gives me the code that I would insert into my website to give a form. In this case, I'm just going to click Preview Form, and we'll be able to see what that form looks like. So I've just switched to the window that that form is displayed in, and you'll see here with the option we've chosen, we've got first name, email address, we can choose plain text or HTML, we can choose email or RSS, and it says become a member now. So I'm just going to close that back down. Here we have a web page mail to link code, so this is where we would put that code in to generate the email we want, or a general mail to link code that will prompt us to mail to that to that subscription address. So with this form, we can also copy and paste this information into a HTML editor and change that in any way we like. If we want that to appear, you know, with some fancy sort of formatting, we can do that. In this case, I'm just going to select the standard text, and I'm going to go over to, in this case, my WordPress page. I'm going to edit, click on the HTML editor. I'm going to paste that code in there, then update my page, and we'll go away in a moment and have a look at that page. So here's that page that's gone to Success Classics Library. Our Success Classics Library is available to Events for Your Success members only. Thankfully, membership is complimentary. Simply complete this form below to join. So as you can see here, the forms come in. I've got a couple of little formatting issues, so I'll probably grab that code, put it out into my HTML editor, tidy it up a bit and put the code back in. But all in all, it's very quick and easy to create that form. Once we completed this and clicked on Become a Member Now, that would then take us through the confirmation and subscription process. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and look forward to seeing you at eventsforyoursuccess.com.